So I took the carburetor off, cleaned it out, cleaned the main jets, and it still wouldn't stay running. It improved. I put seafoam through it. It improved even more. But it wasn't until I took these out. These, it's an air mixture screws, I guess, letting air come in. They may have been clogged because it was running really rich and it wouldn't stay started. And it would run, it wouldn't stay in, it wouldn't idle. So I think these are possibly idle screws as opposed to the main jets. They're very tiny. I took them out, ran seafoam through them, and then I took a little paper clip and ran it through. I know people say, some people say don't use metal, use compressed air, whatever. It worked great. I've done it before, and that's how I cleaned the main jets out. And I'm gonna put the motor back together. No choke. It's been starting on one pull. And it's running perfect. Here's my setup for the boat motor. It's just a furniture dolly cart that I made for moving heavy things. And then this one I built a boat motor stand for it. And it's just a tote sitting on some bricks. And that's about it. I'm gonna clean it up, put it back together, and get on the water. Just gonna add one more explanation to this. So when I did the carb clean, I cleaned the main jets, and I had no trouble with the high speed, but it wouldn't idle. It would just die. So you can do two things. Well, this is a Johnson 2002. It is I have trouble finding any information about this. It's a J10R4ST. And so I want to help anybody out that might having this problem. These two jets on the carburetor, I think they're idle jets possibly, or they're letting air in, a mixture. They are obviously clogged. It improved when I sprayed, kept it running, turned it up a bit, and sprayed seafoam right in there. I actually took these out. I took this one out, and I ran a paper clip through it, ran a paper clip through the tunnel, and then there's also two little holes here that I sprayed in. And then this one I unscrewed, didn't take it out all the way, but I unscrewed it enough so that I would do impulses of spray and it would suck it through this, I don't know if I remember if this is called a venturi, but this is a network of passages to let air in the carburetor for the mixture. And I know there was stuff gunked in there because after that, it is purring like a kitten and running perfectly. So just trying to help anybody that might be in that similar situation where they're racking their brain and they can't get their motor to stay started.